Hi everyone, I am Arjit and welcome back to the second episode of World's Greatest Sports Stars. Today we will be talking about Diego Maradona. Diego Maradona is a former Argentinian football player and is considered one of the greatest football players of all time. Diego helped his team become champions in Argentina, Italy and Spain. He was a part of the Argentinian national team that won the 1986 World Cup. Diego Armando Maradona was born on October 13, 1960 in Lons, Argentina to Diego Cesar and Dalma Salvador Franco. He grew up in a low-income family and suffered financially. He was gifted a soccer ball at the age of 3 and he took an immediate interest in the game. When Maradona was 8, he caught the attention of a talent scout when he played in a local football club called Extrel Roja. The scout immediately selected the young Maradona for the youth team of Buenos Aires Argentinos Juniors. He became the leading player for the team named Las Cebollatas, the Little Onions, one of the biggest junior clubs in Argentina at the age of 10. Maradona got his first big break at the age of 14. In 1976, he started playing with the Argentinos Juniors itself at the age of 14. And just 4 months later, he also joined the junior national team, becoming the youngest player to do so. He played for 5 years in the club. While there, he scored 115 goals in 167 games before moving to the Boca Juniors. He was signed for $1 million in 1981. Diego managed to uplift his family from poverty on the basis of this contract. The same year, he contributed to the success of his club when he won the league championship. After the league success, Maradona was selected for the Argentinian senior national team. Getting the opportunity to play in the 1982 World Cup was the career high for Maradona. However, his team didn't do as well as expected. Maradona transferred to Spain's FC Barcelona after his failure at the World Cup. He signed a $5 million contract, record-setting fee at that time. It proved quite beneficial to the team. In 1983, Maradona led the team winning the Copa del Rey and Spanish Super Cup. In just 2 years, he scored 38 goals in 58 matches. But Maradona suffered quite a bit when he was in Barcelona. He fell ill and sustained multiple injuries. It took him 3 months to recover fully. After his recovery, he decided to transfer to an Italian team called SSC Napoli in 1984. Maradona performed incredibly well during his time in Napoli. He even grabbed the media's attention. During 1986 and 1987 and 1989 to 90, he directed the team for 2 seasons and won the Serie A Italian Championship twice. In 1986, Maradona led the Argentinian team to victory at the FIFA World Cup. He scored 2 of the most remarkable goals in the World Cup history during a quarter-final against England. His second goal in the cup was voted as the goal of century by FIFA.com users. He was also awarded the Golden Ball award for being a top scorer. Apart from the World Cup, he was also on the winning team. SS Napoli of the Coppa Italia in 1987 and the UEFA Cup in 1989. In 1990, Maradona once again became the Argentinian captain of the 1998 FIFA World Cup. However, they did not win this time around and they could only reach the finals. In 1992, Maradona left Napoli to join the Spanish team, Sevilla FC, for a year. Maradona also participated in 1994 FIFA World Cup but was disqualified for testing positive for the drug Epidine. After a prosperous 17-year-long career, Maradona declared his retirement in 1997. In the years after his retirement, he suffered from a lot of issues. He was hospitalized a couple of times due to heart problems. He also had to undergo surgery to curb his obesity. Being a former football star, Maradona started training other In 2008, he became the head coach of the Argentinian national team and after the 2010 they lost a quarter final against Germany. Maradona married Claudia Vifani in November 7, 1984, but this marriage didn't last and the couple divorced in 2004. Maradona is the father of 2 daughters that he had with Wilfine. He has recently died in 2020. Hope you enjoyed this episode of World's Greatest Sports Stars. Now it's question time.